All right, YouTube, this is how you get the seal out of your Pelican case. You can take these out, so just get like a little flathead or something, come behind it. I'm doing this because I'm gonna wash the 2 cases that I have. So I'm gonna wash behind this seal. So you just get that and you can just pull the seal right out. You can wash behind there now. I'm gonna put it back in the same orientation, so note your orientation. We're gonna pop in this seal. Let me just blow it off. Just start in the corner and just push it in. If you need to take a little flathead or a little pry bar or something, or a plastic scraper, any kind of plastic tool or something, just push it in and work it all the way around. I'll show you when it's done. You just try to get it like as flat as possible, you know, prevent it from like twisting in on itself in the groove. The case bearing edge is gonna smush it however it wants to anyway, so give a good test close. It should feel good.